We all love ourselves some good juicy tacos. Today I'm showing you guys how to make some birria tacos, okay? Juicy, crispy on the outside, absolutely delicious on the inside. So before I begin, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit this video with a thumbs up if it was helpful, and let's jump right into it. All right guys, to begin, I'm using some dry peppers here. I'm using ancho peppers, guajillo peppers, and some chiles. I'm going to remove the seed just like this, and also this part right here. I'm going to place it in a bowl. These peppers, you can find them at Walmart, pretty much everywhere, Publix. You can find them pretty much anywhere, okay? This is what's going to give you that authentic birria flavor. So this can be a little tedious, but you can do it. I am all done with the peppers. As you can see, I'm going to give them a quick wash, and then we're going to boil it. Now this is how I make my birria super fast. I know it's not really the authentic way of making it, but I like to kind of give the peppers a head start. So I'm going to boil them, and I'm going to boil them not for long, for about 5 minutes literally, just so they can be nice and soft. The peppers are nice and soft. We're going to transfer them to my blender. Just transfer it just like this. Now I'm going in with about half of onion, right in, it's perfect. I have 4 garlic cloves. I have cumin, cinnamon, and oregano going in. All the ingredients will be down below. I'm adding some chicken bouillon. And this is chipotle and adobo sauce, very spicy, because I like the kick. A little bit of apple cider vinegar. And also I'm going to use the water that I boiled the peppers in to blend it. Okay, you can add chicken broth if you like, but honestly, just a little bit of water won't hurt. And now I'm going to blend. It is done. Now I'm going to strain it into my strainer. I like to carefully pour it in there so I don't splash it all over. That's perfect. I have about 3.5 pounds of chuck roast beef. I'm going to pat it dry because we want a nice, beautiful color to lock in the flavor. So I'm going to pat it dry, and now I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. Not only this is going to help it cook faster, but also it is going to make it nice and flavorful on every single bite. So just gonna slice it just like this. Now I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil, rub that in, flip it over, just like this. Now we're going to season this with only salt and pepper, okay? You don't want to burn the seasoning, so salt and pepper should do it. A generous amount of salt and pepper all over the meat. Don't forget the sides, all over. And now we are ready to pan sear it. Y'all see the smoke? Just how we like it. We want a nice, beautiful sear on these chuck roast. So let's go ahead and place that in. Yes. That's the sound we want to hear. You don't want it to boil, like I said. Looking good. Time to flip them over. They are looking good. Beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. Look at that. Amazing. My beef is nice and seared, so I'm going to transfer it to my pressure cooker. Yes, this is going to be extremely fast in my pressure cooker. I'm just going to add the last one right here. You're going to pour your birria base on top. This is 4 cups, okay? I had to measure it so I can accurately tell you guys the measurement. So 4 cups of that. And I'm adding about 1 cup of beef broth. All you gotta do is add 2 bay leaves, and that's it, okay? Now all I gotta do is close this lid, set my pressure cooker on 1 hour. 1 hour, okay? 60 minutes. Start, and now we wait. All right, guys, our beef is finally ready. I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. It's literally falling apart. Wow. The color is beautiful. You'll see this falling off. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but wow. It's literally falling off. You can either go like this, just break them. As you can see, beef is tenderism, whichever. They're literally falling off the part. Let me just shred them so we can make our birria tacos. Now look at that. I ended up using a potato masher to just make my life easier, but take a good look. This tastes amazing, okay? Now let's make these delicious tacos. It is time to make these tacos. Let's drizzle some olive oil to my cast iron, okay? And also I like to add a little bit of that sauce here. So like this. Now we're going in with some cheese, lots and lots of cheese. We like it cheesy. I'm using mozzarella cheese, but you can use whatever cheese that you have. I'm going to add a good amount of that delicious beef on top. Don't put too much because it's gonna be hard for you to close it. That's good enough. Now I have some cilantro and some parsley. I just like to mix it not parsley, onion. I like to mix it together, and then you go ahead and add some in there. Not too much. There you go. Now I'm going to flip that side over, and there you go. There you go, looking good, looking good. And then I'm going in with the cheese. Ooh, that looks so good and nice and rich. And I'm going in with my onion and cilantro. Flip that over. Perfect. Do y'all see that? That's how you do it. To know me is to know birria tacos are my favorite. Let's give it a try. Whew. Wow. So good. When I tell you these are the best tacos ever, y'all gotta try it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me if you enjoy it. Also, if you find it helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys. I'm gonna go enjoy my tacos.